today I'm going to show you how to make a beaded ring like this one. So I've got some pearl beads, some of these beads. I've got some 0.6 elastic thread, some nail glue. That's my bead. Oh, I have a bead clip. So I am just going to cut 8 inches just to show you. These beads are 4mm. I think those are 3. So first of all, we have to decide which colours. So I think this time we'll do a mixture of colours. So we need to thread 6 beads. I'm just going to put this on the end. Move that out of the way. So 1, 2. We'll just put a mixture of beads. 3. It does depend what size beads you are using. There's one gone. We'll take this one. These are good to make with children. But disclaimer, not too young, obviously, because of the beads. Don't want them choking on them.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned.
So there we have 6 beads. And then what we do, we take this end and we go back up through the very first bead. Takes a little, okay. And then we pull. Then I adjust to make sure it's in the middle of what we're working on. So it looks like that. And then we need to take a bead for the center. What colour should we have? I think I'm going to just put a pearl bead in the center for this one. Like so. Then we go back up the 3rd bead. So there's the one we've just put on. So 1, 2, 3, the pink. So we go back up the pink bead and then pull, and there our bead goes into the center. So you have a flower. You will obviously have to measure your fingers to see how many beads you will need. I obviously have big fingers. So I'm just going to thread these on. They do tend to stay in place now, but I will use that when I put this strand on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to use 7 beads. And then pop the clip on the end. to come off. Oh, it's come off. There we go. So 7 beads each side, and there's our flower. And then we are going to tie just like we do with the bracelets. It's fiddly because they're smaller. So 1, and we're going to go twice around this one. Pull. Then we are going to go the opposite way, 2. And 1 for luck. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is actually use some glue. I'm just using some nail glue
on the knot. All the supplies are available on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description below.
Then we cut the excess off. Allow the glue to dry. This is the ring.
Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.